Meaning of fracas.
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 Fracas. Fracas refers to a noisy disturbance or brawl. It can be used to describe a chaotic and disorderly situation, often involving physical altercations or heated arguments. A fracas typically involves yelling, shoving, or even violence, and may result in injuries or damage to property. It is a disruptive and unpleasant event that can leave people feeling shaken and upset. Those involved in a fracas may face legal consequences such as fines or arrest. Overall, a fracas is a negative and potentially dangerous situation that should be avoided if possible.